The machine is portable if desired. We offer a standard casters, so it allows you to roll the machine out, from one position to another if needed. You can add a 4th axis and a 5th axis, and depending on the control, you can have 3+2 or simultaneous 5 axis. The machines use linear guideways and ball screws on each axis for the XYZ. They use servo motors for the actuation of the ball screws. Depending on the type of work that you do, we offer different types of spindles, different speeds. Our standard spindle starts at 14,000 RPM. That can go up to 18,000, 24,000, 40, 60, 80, and 100,000. Depending on the control system that you can have each axis directly driven using the servo motors or belt driven. We have 3 different kinds of controls that you can put in our machines. Our own LMB12 MC control, we have the Mac Motion control, and we have Fano controls. Our machines can be outfitted with low precision ball screws or high precision ball screws. The low precision ball screws can give you an accuracy of ±10 microns, and the high precision ball screws can give you an accuracy of ±5 microns. Depending on the control that you have and the servo sizes, the rapid feeds can vary from 5,000 millimeters per minute to 15,000 millimeters per minute.